Welcome to your all-in-one AI model photoshoot experience, powered by Tryonora. Start by generating your AI model. Select the desired image aspect ratio. Customize attributes like gender, age, body type, race, and camera angle to match your target customer. You can even define the background and outfit prompt for added realism. Once you're ready, click Generate AI Model. In just seconds, your model is ready. Save it for use in future photo shoots. You can also download the image to your computer. Next, head to the AI Photoshoot section. Choose your preferred generation mode: performance, balanced, or quality. Select one of your saved AI models to begin the shoot. Now, choose the product you'd like to visualize on the model. You can select from your Shopify store catalog or directly upload a product image for more control. Select the variant image for which you like to create the photo shoot. Don't forget to select the right category. Hit Shoot and let the magic happen. Our AI blends your product seamlessly onto the model. In seconds, you'll see a photorealistic try-on result, ready to use.